have a story for you today about kittens. The name of the book is Three Little Kittens. Here's the cover. And you can see 1, 2, 3 kittens on the cover. And it looks like they have something on their paws. What do you think that could be? I'm not going to tell you right now because it will tell you in the story what they have. Are you ready? Three little kittens. They got new mittens and they began to cheer. Oh mother dear, may we go out to play? Put on your mittens, you sweet little kittens, and you may go out to play. Meow, meow, meow. Yes, you may go out to play. The three little kittens, they played and they played. See all the different things that they're playing? And they have on their mittens. They spun and they leaped and they pounced. They were so busy playing that something happened. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. Oh my. Did that ever happen to you? You were playing outside and you lost your gloves or your mittens? What? Lost your mittens? You careless kittens. Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, the kittens cried, for they would have no pie. Let's find our mittens, then said the kittens. Meow, meow, meow. Soon one little kitten had found her mittens. Purr, purr. When cats are happy, that's the sound they make, purring. Then the second kitten had found his mittens. Mittens on that. Purr, purr, purr. And the third little kitten then found his mittens. Purr, purr, purr. Look, all three kittens have their mittens on now. Can you find their mittens in the picture? Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. They rushed back to tell Mom. What? Found your mittens, you darling kittens. Now you shall have some pie. Meow, 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 you shall have some pie. Oh, they're so happy they're going to get some pie now. Wonder what kind of pie kittens like to eat. Purr, 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 purr. They soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, look here, we fear we've made a mess. You silly kittens, you're wearing your mittens, their mother began to sigh. Meow, meow, meow. They all began to sigh. It's not a good idea to eat pie with mittens on, is it? The three little kittens, they washed their mittens. looks like they're making a big mess while they're washing them too. And they hung them out to dry. There's Mom, and there's the kittens. They're putting their mittens on the clothesline. Oh, Mother dear, see here, our mittens we have washed. What? Washed your mittens, you good little kittens. Meow, meow, meow. The three little kittens put on the clean mittens and they began to cheer. Oh, Mother dear, Mother dear, may we go out to play? Uh-oh. That's the end. Did you see that book has the same beginning and end? The kittens asked to go out to play with their new mittens in the beginning of the story. And then at the end of the story, now that their mittens are washed, they want to go outside and play again. So the beginning and the end of that story are the same. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you another day. Have a good day. Bye.